My name is Ged Doherty, and I am a former chairman and CEO of a large music organization. I currently work in film and television and football, where I am responsible for developing many projects across film and television. I'm a huge believer in sharing my experiences from my career. I've been very fortunate and very blessed to end up where I am in my life. And I think a huge part for every one of us is to pass on those experiences so young people can learn. I remember when I was growing up, there were none of the resources that are currently available. There were none of the courses. There were none of the amazing courses like this or people like Arit to help people like myself as a young person. So I hugely believe in giving back. If anything, they could take away a couple of things, which one would just be your authentic self. Bring your authentic self to work every single day, but only do the things that only you can do, which is a very valuable lesson I learned very early on in my career. And because we get tempted, we get distracted, we get tempted to get involved with this project, that project, be the best head of finance, be the best this and that, but only do what you're good at and let everybody else do what they're good at.